This one on tour, so bear with me. If you want to sing it, I'd much appreciate it. You ready? I feel like there is no need for conversation. Some questions will never without reason, and I would rather reveal myself, my situation. You know I can see it. Hesitation. The more the light shines through me, I pretend to close my eyes. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to burning bright. I did just to be different, to spare myself of the constant shame of my existence. And I would rather redeem myself, my destination. Here and now I'm screaming, what you got? My situation. The more the light shines through me, I pretend to close my eyes. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to burn it bright. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to close my eyes. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to burn it. There's nothing ever wrong, and nothing's ever right. Such a cruel contradiction. I know I crossed the line, not easy to define. I'm born to the indecision. There's always something new, somehow I'm supposed to choose. For no particular rhyme or reason. I pretend to close my eyes. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to burn it bright. The more the light shines through me, I pretend to close my eyes. The more the dark consumes me, I pretend to burn it. Burning bright. And I feel like there is no need for conversation.